Speaking of 33, truth seeker, here we're looking at the New York Yankees, a history of baseball championships, all scripted by the numbers. Notice the Yankees have number 33, a man named Bird, playing first base. In the language of gematria, Bird sums to 33, as well as New York. And again, 33, a huge number in baseball. The word diamond equals 33. You know, the baseball field, the diamond. It's a sport based on cricket. Cricket equals 33. So does masonry. So does secrecy. Abner Doubleday, 33rd degree Scottish Rite Freemason, credited with creating baseball. Learn the code and see through sports history. The most famous Yankee in the history of the team is Babe Ruth. The name Babe equals 26, just like Yankees. His birthday is February 6th, 2/6. It's no coincidence. The word Queen also equals 26. Queen Elizabeth II, you know, she became queen on February 6th, and she had her coronation on June 2nd. Both those dates can be written 2/6. This code, it's important to masonry in high places. The term cabal comes from Kabbalah. Kabbalah is the belief that God created the world with language by merging the letter with the number, and this is knowledge exclusive to elites, unless you follow my work or the people who've learned from me and also share. Until I made this breakthrough in 2013, no one knew about any of this. But now that people know the code, they watch and they see the scripting. After Bird's game-winning home run in Game 3, you know, number 33 with the game-winning home run in Game 3, I wasn't even watching, but a number of people on my blog posted about this, and I had to check it out and see for myself and have a little laugh. Bird with the game-winning home run. Let's not forget that the word Cleveland equals 33. Same with the name Indian. And here we are on Christopher Columbus Day, CC 33, the man paid for by the Catholic Church, the CC, the 33. Something interesting, you know, the Yankees versus the Indians on Christopher Columbus Day. Right now the score is 3-6, and as I showed on my blog, today has 36 numerology. We'll see what the final score of the game is. 3-6, that special number 666, the 36th triangular number, meaning if you add 1 through 36 together, sums to 666. In Sumerian gematria, New York also sums to 666. Learn the code, pay attention, you see how it's all scripted by the numbers, from the final score to the box score. And this goes for every single game, not just the playoffs. All of professional sports is scripted theater with the appropriately named players for the script, such as Mr. Bird. Think about that name on Boston, Massachusetts Celtics. Massachusetts 33, Bird 33, number 33.